One thing that's really nice about our core classes here at CIAM, our students have an opportunity to learn something by also doing and adding that to their skill set. And so an MBA from CIAM, I feel, differentiates our students because not only do they have that applied experience, but we're always constantly looking for new ways to apply new methods of learning, new ways to help prepare our students for the workplace. How is it going to help them in the workplace moving forward?
In organizational behavior, we do have an assignment where we're supposed to give a real life problem statement and be like a change agent in our current organization. So in a way, it helps us to understand a problem from a different angle. Right now, when you're working into something, you're so worked up that you don't realize that there are other ways to solve a problem. So I feel exercises like those will definitely help.
On my first class with Kenneth George, we talked a lot about managing ourselves and how to build a brand that we want to be. And I work for Goldman Sachs in my company. We are always having these 3 conversations throughout the year of what our goals are. So one of the goals that I set was everything we were discussing with Kenneth on how we want to manage ourselves and really become the person that we want to be. So that was really helpful to get the promotion that I actually got a few weeks ago.